What's going on, guys? Decided to take a different route on the car and ended up picking up some new taillights. I'm super stoked for it. It's gonna make the car look really clean. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get them unboxed and see what we got. We got some 06 plus taillights, guys. Oh my god. They look so good. So good. Alright, so you guys can go ahead and comment down below, kind of informing me. I don't know if there's other parts in here or not. I'm gonna end up doing my research, but you guys can feel free to comment down below as well. So as you guys know, it has the trunk opener button right here. I don't know if it's gonna come with it or not. Is that something that's on the car? Even if it's not functional, I want it there. I don't want just an empty hole. So I'm gonna end up doing my research, but super stoked. Let's go ahead and get the rest of it unboxed just to see if it does come with this or not. If it doesn't, not a big deal. And then we'll go ahead and talk, why did I decide to take this route as opposed to finishing the other ones? Quick interruption. If you guys are watching today's video and you guys aren't already subscribed and you guys like what you're watching, please do me the favor and subscribe down below. It really does help the channel out a lot. Analytics show that 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you guys are already watching my videos, please do me the favor, subscribe down below. It's free, it costs nothing at all, and it really helps the channel out a lot. With that being said, let's get back into it. All right, guys, so it did not come with the button, not a big deal. Like I said, feel free to comment down below and let me know, but I'll end up doing my research as well. So why did I decide to go with over finishing these? So the reason for it, as you guys know, the past, I want to say 2 months now, I've been putting in crazy work onto the car, getting it ready for paint, replacing everything, and I still haven't even talked about those fenders and why we did that. But sort of the same thing with the taillights. This car, guys, when I first got this car, it was wrecked. I know on videos it looked clean, and it was, don't get me wrong, but it also just needed so much TLC. Body lines were not fitting up, bumpers were not fitting up, taillights didn't fit. The door, I didn't even record this, but if you guys go back to my original videos, you would see some of the other stuff that I did. But one thing that I don't think I filmed it was the doors didn't even fit. The lines, everything was just so wrong with this car. And after putting in countless hours of work trying to get this thing ready for paint, I decided I'm putting in so much work restoring this car. I want everything to be as perfect as possible. Now, those taillights, as sick as they would have been, and don't get me wrong, we might finish them up sometime and maybe change them out every once in a while. I don't know. But I've been putting in so much work restoring this car. I wanted this car as perfect as possible. And those taillights, I mean, they're sick, but they're just not like OEM specs, I guess you guys can say. Not that I'm trying to build this to an OEM car. It's just I'm trying to buy stuff and just bring this car back to life. Give this car the life I feel it never had, at least since it was brand new. Because this car, guys, was destroyed. And we're gonna be going over some more stuff in another video. I think it's gonna be the next video, explaining kind of what's going on with paint and probably talk about why I got those fenders. That's not the whole point in this video, but that's the reason why I decided to get those taillights rather than using those. Now, what's wrong with the ones on the car? Well, this one, nothing. This one, from when I got hit, because this car was also hit before, but when I got hit, it completely just cracked the taillight all here and here, and there's just pieces missing. And not only that, but I prefer the 06 plus taillights over these things. So that is the reason why I decided to go with the 06 plus taillights. And I mean, just come on, look at it, dude. They're freaking beautiful. And I actually want to try something a little different. Well, I mean, other people have done it, but I kind of want to still keep that black housing type look like you guys just saw, and go for that type of look. So I think what I want to do is actually, instead of buying the overlay, I'm going to make my own overlay like I've done way back when, and make all of this black except for, of course, the lens here, and then keep the red cutouts. I think that would look pretty cool. But I mean, this taillight is just straight fire. So let's go ahead and get one of the taillights removed and get this bad boy put in. And then they're not gonna stay in, I don't think. At least probably not until it's painted, because I don't want to damage these. I don't want any overspray. I don't want anything wrong with these. So I think we'll probably put them in and enjoy it for a little bit, and kind of just get some, you know, cool little shots and whatnot of them, of before and after. And then yeah, and then I think we'll end up probably removing them again, keeping the old junky ones on just until the car is painted. That way we have fresh taillights to go on. But let's go ahead and get these bad boys installed. Oh my god, dude. Such a nice difference. Look at that. All right, so from the old one, which it's not bad, but it's not that good. And then this, jeez. So it's not bolted in at all right now, so that's why we're having all this gapping and whatnot. But jeez, man. It looks so good, especially with these indentations right here. It's just, oh, beautiful. And then the other thing that I really like is, so on this one, how it's just basically a red tint and then chrome back housing, right? And you can see all these holes. I've never been a fan of those, and that's the reason why I shaved them on that. This one, I like how it's sort of hidden. You could see it, but it's not as exposed as that. And then the other thing, of course, you have this massive circle, and then this just clean style. Really nice. So freaking good. Oh my gosh, I love it. So like I said, yeah, I want to wrap this and then keep just this and then these exposed. I think it would look really good. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think of that before and after. Damn, boy, she looks good. So I think that's where I'm gonna leave this video off. I know it was a short one, but you know, short and sweet, straight to the point. New taillights are in, boys. I'm super stoked. They weren't supposed to be here for another week, or actually the end of this week. Yeah, so they came early, so I'm happy about that. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna end up playing around with them another day, because it's let's see, degrees in the garage right now. 100 degrees. It's really hot. So another time, or maybe later in the day, we'll end up playing with them, trying to get them screwed in, test fitted and whatnot. Actually, one thing that I do want to do, test, because I'm not sure, and if you guys are watching this video and you guys are wondering the same thing and want these, does this plug right in to here? I don't know, but we're gonna find out right now. It does. Sweet. It's plug and play, baby. Plug and play. Oh, she looks so good, guys. I'm so stoked. Ignore the mess, body working stuff. But yeah, guys, make sure to leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like this. And stay tuned. The next video, I believe we're going to be going over everything. Like I said, why is this thing not painted? Because I said July it was going to be painted. Why did we change those fenders? All of that good stuff. We're going to be going over all of it. So subscribe and hit that bell notification so you guys are notified as soon as I drop a video. And I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. Peace out.